Object Library Options. With over 500 objects inside numerous library options, you will be able to build floor plans exactly how you need within a 2-scale diagram. For this tutorial, we will be working within a created event and under the Seating tab. To begin, select the Objects sub-tab. The View drop-down menu may show as Library or Favorites. If objects have been selected to be on your favorites list, then the View drop-down menu will populate the favorites list first. If objects have not been selected to be on your favorites list, then the View drop-down menu will populate the library first. Please review the Object Library, Favorites Library, and Object Placement tutorial for a walkthrough on how to set objects as a favorite. To view all object libraries, select the View drop-down menu. The Favorites menu will populate all objects you or your team have set as favorited objects. The Library menu will populate objects from the public all-seated library list. The Groups menu will showcase saved groups that you can populate on any diagram in any event. The Used Objects menu option will populate objects that have already been placed on the diagram. You will see the specific object and the number of times the object appears on the diagram. Next, the Chairs menu option allows you to change the type of chairs placed around banquet tables. For the Chair menu, you will also want to focus on the Category drop-down menu and select the All Chairs sub-menu. All Chairs will allow you to see all the chairs we have within the system. To change the chair type, hover your mouse over the chair type and select the Apply to Floor Plan button located on the bottom right-hand corner. Additionally, you can set a favorites list for chairs under Chair Preferences. Select the Ceremony and Banquet square beside each chair that you wish to place as a favorite for banquet and ceremony. Once a chair has been set as a favorite, you can also make the chair a default. Moving back to the Category, My Chair sub-menu, you will now see all your favorited chairs. For users who are working under a host, planner, caterer, or other vendor interface, you will see an additional menu option labeled Venue Objects. This menu option allows you to see the objects your selected venue has within their favorites list. This allows you to use objects the venue may have within their on-site inventory. Lastly, All Seated has partnered with 11 amazing furniture rental companies. From Court to Lux Event Rentals LLC, you can place virtual replicas of their furniture collections on your own diagram completely complimentary. When exploring the furniture rental companies, please utilize the Category and Type drop-down menus to refine your search.